So hello, good evening. Today our topic is that English should be the first language of our country. So I think that English should not be the first language of our country. You will say that I am thinking emotionally, but you don't know about Hindi very much, because if you will go to our past or our history, so you will see that what is the importance of Hindi, how much knowledge is there in Hindi, and like how the foreigners when they came to India and they got too much knowledge and they translated that into English. And it was, if you go to our, like if you will read Mahabharata, so like
The Mahabharata.
the Mahabharata, so like the whole Gita is written from that like Mahabharata. So there is the every solution of this world is in Gita. So like Gita is written in Hindi, and you are saying that English should be the first language of our country, because it is giving you some money and all.
So we have understood your point. You are saying our legacy is in Hindi.
Yeah.
So Hindi is our soul.
Yeah.
That is the soul of our country. So English should not be the first
Language of our
preference in India
Yes.
when it comes to language.
So as you were talking about Hindi, so let me first of all tell you about Hindi. So Hindi is made up of two languages, Persian and Hindi. So after that it became Hindi, and let me tell you about India's linguistic culture. Like India has 1600 plus languages which are being spoken in India, all over India. And let me tell you a recent example. In Karnataka, in the airport of Karnataka, there was something was advertised on the billboard of Karnataka airport. Then the people of Karnataka started saying that we will prioritize the Kannada language first. And there are many people those who are trying to fight on the basis of language. And if we will impose Hindi on all over the India, then it will be difficult.
All over India.
All over India, then it would be difficult. Like people needs to be harmonized, then people need to be united first of all. Then we can implement Hindi.
Need to be united.
To be united. If you want to go to anywhere, you can use English, and I think that English has become common, and that's why I think that English should be the language which should be implemented.
Okay, as you said, English becomes very common just because Britishers ruled all over world. That's the basic reason. That's today is English very popular. If in ancient time, if Indians were ruled all over on world, then Hindi would be the more popular than English. So just because they ruled all over the world, that's why English is very popular in world.
Yeah, that's what we need to we need to think apart from emotionally. If we think
We should not think on emotional grounds.
we should not think on emotional grounds. If we think that they colonized us and that's why we are speaking English, then let me give you a data. Like India is the only country where most of the speakers, those who speak English, India is the country where people are speaking English. After that there is Pakistan. And as you are saying that in Nepal hasn't been colonized. Still people are speaking English. So we shouldn't
So like if you are saying about that, so I want to let you know that when it was deciding that what should be the national language of our country, so there was a fight between the ministers of Tamil and the ministers of Hindi language. They were fighting that what would be the language of our country, the national language of our country. So after that, that discussion, Hindi became the national language. Tamil was not that language, and over that period of time, they were not liking that Hindi is national language. Still, you will go to Tamil, so you will see that they like their language more than Hindi. So, what would you say?
Let me shed some lights on your knowledge. Like as you were saying that Hindi is the national language of India. So the Constitution of India, 8th schedule of the Constitution of India says that there are 22 national languages in India which can be used, and with English, like you can use your regional language like Gujarati, let's suppose Gujarati plus English, Kannada plus English, Tamil plus English. that kind of things are there, and as you are saying that Hindi is the national language, so no, Hindi isn't a national language of India till now.
So
It's
like
not
you
that.
are saying that you are just talking about our the language of our India, the Telugu, Tamil. They
Our country, not
of
our
our
India.
country. They are the language. These are the language which came from.
Not our national language. In August or July, Supreme Court has been noticed that Hindi is our national language.
But
Don't,
do you know-
you have wrong information.
Do you know English is one of the international language for communication, and it is valid for, or it is official for 53 countries where the people speak in English, and more than 4 million people can speak English. And English is
It doesn't mean that if there is a language and which is popular in all over the world, we should adopt that. If you take an example of Chinese, so if you follow the data, so Chinese is the #1 most spoken language all over the world. So why don't you choose like Chinese instead of English?
But English is a native language. Like English is spoken by 150 countries. So if you know the language, or if you are so like English is popular, so we should go for that. But you cannot, like as one of my friends just said that there are 1600 languages are existed in India. So we cannot learn those languages. So we can learn only particular language where we can communicate, or we can understand them. So I think English is a
So
native
why we are
language.
going for like English? We can go for Hindi. If you are talking about uniform the language, we have multiple language in India. So if you will understand the data, so the most popular or like most population speaks Hindi more than other languages.
You are talking about only India. But if you see that, as one of my friends said, share the data, most of the speakers are from India. Those who are speaking good, those who are speaking English good from more than other countries. So I think we should promote that.
You know that in. Okay, you speak.
And we all nowadays we all want to work in MNC. So if we go for an interview, so we should know English, because behalf of Hindi we can't join. They can't give any opportunity.
Okay, like what can you do after joining an MNC? You will just do like earn 20k annual. Like if you know, like many people they are successful. Like if I talk about Neeraj Chopra, he also promotes in Hindi. Whenever someone speaks in English with that person, he is successful. You are not even trying to like be that person. So
In Parliament, you may have seen most of speakers they deliver their speech in English, like Nirmala Sitharaman and more. So we should know English.
And those are not able to speak English, those like you said that Neeraj Chopra represent Hindi also. So might be he will hire some people. There are number of people, those who are hiring team, like those who are hiring people, those who can speak English more than him. So they are like people also.
Why should we hire a person to speak in Hindi or in any language? If we have our native language, so why we should hire a person for narrating or talking with someone?
you know that in India we treat our language as a mother language. We treat it as our mother. So if you don't know your origin, like from where you come, so like how can you respect if you can't respect your language? So like whom would you be respect?
Yeah, I have to add something. Like as you know that we are living in Hindustan. So if you will split this like word Hindustan, so it represents Hindi, like Hindi and Stan. So the place of Hindi. So that's why.
So as you are talking about history, so let me give you some
Yeah.
data. So as you are talking about Hindustan, so Hindustan is the word which is made by Sindhu.
Yeah.
So it was located in river Sindhu. It's a very vast concept. Let me tell you about Hindi. So Hindi is a language which was introduced in medieval period. Like if we go anciently, in ancient India, then there were 3 languages mainly which were spoken. First is Sanskrit, Prakrit and Pali. Pali and Prakrit were common language which were for the people of the country or the region. And Sanskrit was for, as you were saying, that our Bhagavad Gita and each and every granthas are written in Hindi. So no, those are not written in Hindi. those are written in Sanskrit, or there are many the Hanuman Chalisa, which is written in Magadhi language. So we need to understand that Hindi was introduced in medieval period by Mughals. Those were cruel, those who wanted to destroy our real culture, those who destroyed our millions of temples. They introduced the language. So you need to think historically.
There is a missing information in like you told that it was the Sindhi language. So it was Sindhi, and the people like who was ruling on us, they were not able to pronounce they used to pronounce ha. So after that time they starting pronounce Sindhi in like Hindi. So that's how Hindi came. So it was like this.
And that's what Hindustan, as you were saying that Hindustan. So in our constitution, even in our constitution, the first line of our constitution, Article 1 says that India, that is Bharat. Bharat is the ancient name of India. So we need to know history if you are talking about historical language. So Hindi is not historical. It was introduced might be in 14th or 13th century.
Like you have mentioned, like all the granthas is written in Hindu, in Sanskrit. So if you will go around of Devanagari, so Devanagari, like the Hindi and Sanskrit is the origin of Devanagari is the origin of Hindi and Sanskrit. So like we will still take around from Hindi and Sanskrit. So
And
why
Hindi is
should
very
yeah.
and Hindi is very understanding language in India. In rural areas, you can speak Hindi. If you will speak English, they would not understand what you want to say. But if you speak Hindi, they will understand what point you are putting, and they will help you better more than English. So that Hindi should be our national language and first preference.
So as you said that in rural area people don't know how to speak Hindi. So if you English. So if you would go in Tamil and you would speak Hindi, they would not they would know how to speak Hindi. They just know Tamil.
Because they know English and their Tamil language. Except South. In South there are many villages that are very advanced and they know how to speak Hindi just because of Bollywood. They watch Bollywood movies and they understand Hindi as well.
But based on Hindi, you can't able to get any good job in multinational company.
There is
You can't go for any other country for the study purpose or something else. So if you want to talking about Hindi, so in Hindi, based on Hindi, you are not able to communicate with international people for if you are going for the study purpose any other country.
Which language do you use in your home? Yeah.
But I'm talking about how to
I am understanding.
As you are talking about home language, so let me tell you, I use Gujarati at my home. So it does not mean that I should speak Gujarati everywhere. People can't speak Gujarati, and I cannot accept that somebody is talking bad about Gujarati or any other language. Like there is a famous chapter in 11th class like Vive la France, which means long live.
Long live.
So that's what like people in each region, as I have mentioned earlier, that 1600 languages are there in India which are spoken. So such kind of things, like India is a diverse country, and when we cannot impose one particular language or one particular tradition on each and everyone. So that's my
As you said that you speak Gujarati in your home, that Gujarati is a state language. Except Gujarat, maybe one or two
She wants to
states
say we can go for majority.
Yes.
Majority speakers are in Hindi.
in Hindi.
And those people who were born in India, even they are not able to speak Hindi, but they can speak in English.
Yes.
I'm saying that those people who were born in India, they don't know how to speak in Hindi, but they can speak in English. So what is that? They also are speaking English.
Not they know, like how don't they know Hindi? Because they were born in
Born in
India.
Was
Like,
with it
our
was-
native language is Hindi.
But
You
they
can't
don't know.
complain.
But they don't know that how to speak in Hindi. They also initially
Because they have studied abroad and now they
No, they don't.
certificate-
They like Arnab Goswami. He is the chief editor of news that Republic of India, right? I don't know you know about this. He doesn't know that how to speak in Hindi,
Might
but
be.
he debates in English to English.
Might be he belong to southern part of India.
So that's what we are trying to say, that as you are trying to say that Hindi is known across India, so it is wrong. Like if you go to Assam, then
I'm
you
not
will
saying
find
all.
Assamese. If you go Gujarat, then Gujarati. In Tamil,
No, we are
saying
not
the majority.
We are not saying that you should not speak English, but you can't make English a official language of your country. Hindi should be your official language, and like you are saying this just
That's
because
where
it is
you are-
giving you, it is giving you some
How
money.
many forms you
Like,
fill up in Hindi?
What?
In India, how many forms
Do you feel in Hindi?
do you fill in Hindi?
And even if you go to the deeply with the Hindi, you are not able to sentence of Hindi. You can understand the words of English.
And even you don't know we don't speak Hindi, we speak only language.
And you were
We are
saying
not-
Bhagavad
yes.
Gita and the Mahabharata. People nowadays people are coming across world in India just because of they read Bhagavad Gita and Mahabharata and they know Lord Krishna. So they are not able to read in Hindi. They read in English.
So
If you are
that's
mentioning,
the
listen,
understanding.
if you are mentioning that they are coming here for learning
Yes.
Bhagavad Gita, if they want to know our scripture like that's are in deep, so they have to learn Hindi and Sanskrit because they are in Sanskrit and Hindi.
You know
They are
that
not in
what is the
English.
importance of Sanskrit in Germany and Russia? Like there is my teacher like who used to teach in my school. He went to Russia for teaching 2 years, and he said that experience was nice, and they take the Sanskrit language very not Sanskrit. That was Hindi teacher. So they were saying that the student of that like Russia, they used to take very important importance to Hindi
They are so interested in
more than
English.
their language Russian.
They gave.
Yeah.
As
That was Hindi teacher.
Like he taught in Moscow.
Yeah.
So Moscow is the capital of Russia, I guess.
Yeah.
And they are so much interested.
And like there was another teacher of mine. He was saying that he was Sanskrit teacher. He was saying that in Germany someone was asking for him too much salary. Like if that person would teach Sanskrit in Germany, so he will get too much salary. But he didn't go there because he wanted to teach Sanskrit in his own country.
And you are
and you live in India, you don't know Sanskrit. So
That's another point we are speaking
so
on.
Sanskrit is a part, like Hindi is a part of Sanskrit. You can say. Yeah.
no.
Yeah, Hindi is a part of
Like,
The
Sanskrit.
Lipi is the same,
Yeah,
Devanagari.
Devanagari.
So it does not mean like if we are writing in Lipi, whatever Devanagari Lipi, so those language will be same. No. Like if Adesh and Sunny is wearing same clothes, then that does not mean that they both are same. It's different kind of thing. Like Sanskrit is a different language. It is a historical language. Like nowadays people wants to learn yoga, wants to do yoga, but who are able to teach them? Those who have learned before. But Sanskrit is a language which used to be taught in ancient time. Now Hindi is being spoken
So you-
and with Urdu words
Like you
girls
So
and
you are saying
different
that
kind of
Hindi is
words.
not originated from English or Sanskrit.
No.
So
Hindi
Hindi is
Hindi is a
originated from
combination
Sanskrit.
of Persian and Hindi, two language made Hindi language. So that is the fact.
But it is originated from Sanskrit. So
It was made by Mughals.
but like there you can't say that Sanskrit is different from Hindi properly. You can't say that.
Can you tell? any-
Okay, anybody from you who wants to give his or her opinion?
Can you tell me, can you get any job?
Me?
Yeah, anyone can get a job based on Hindi language. Means if you go for the
Yeah.
interview, they will use English language. Definitely.
So why would I like I don't think that I would go for a job. I don't want to go for a job. If you are thinking that you want to do a job, but I don't want to do a job,
So what do you want to do?
like whatever I'm doing CS. It's my personal
yes,
choice.
in future you will do CS. So you will do in English, not Hindi.
We can't change the government, that's true. We have to do English.
So any last comments? Any last comments from anyone?
Is made by government.
Okay, she wants to say something. Let's listen to her.
I want to say something. India should be India and even should be in English because I learned our mother tongue in childhood. So we easily. But whenever we got a job, whenever we go to learn any skills or otherwhere, then we don't know how to communicate other, how to communicate and how to earn and how to express our skills. So all of us just our skills only our language or our communication. So if English is our mother tongue, so we learn in childhood.
If English were
English
our mother tongue,
mother tongue,
so we should have learnt it before. So why are we using if we learnt English?
Many problems.
Because of conditional type second, huh?
So you all are talking about youngster. We are understanding English, but about the older, they don't know how to speak. They don't know how to understand. So what we do?
Even there are people those who do not understand Hindi. I met with a person, an old age person who was sitting in metro. He was speaking in Haryanvi and I was not able to understand. I said that uncle mujhe samajh nahi aa rahi. Then he said that I can't do anything, you need to learn. So that's what
If you know English,
But Haryanvi is more similar to like Hindi.
no, it's very faster. When you hear that, then you will not be able to understand. When they speak with A's, then you won't be able to understand.
And whenever you go Calcutta, so the people don't know Hindi. They speak
Because
only
they
two languages,
That's a
Bengali and
southern one,
English.
yeah.
It is also part of India.
So let's stop this now. So whatever the language, I think language should unite us rather than dividing us. It should not be the dividing factor. So whether you learn Hindi or English, it is up to you. But language cannot be the property of one particular nation. If it has a binding force. So we should simply go ahead and learn it. So I think English and Hindi, there is no difference. Both are languages. As long as you are speaking in Hindi, you are Indian. If you speak English, it doesn't mean that you are less Indian. So it is an added advantage. So it was my opinion. Okay, thank you. Thank you all.